So today I'll be showing you how to put in a video card into a computer. This specific video card is the GeForce GTX 750. It is super clocked, which means it's faster than its original component, and it has 1 GB of RAM. Now all we got to do is take this out of the box, and this is what it looks like. This specific model is, at the time of purchase, which was about a year or two ago, was $120. It's considered one of the best bang for your buck, so to speak, graphics card on the market. Some graphics cards can go as low as $40, $50, $60, but they're just not as good. And then there's some that are much faster, but they can range from the prices of $500 to thousands of dollars. So to put it in, first we got to remove the hood. And then we see this slot right here. We just need to line this up with this yellowish piece right here. So all we got to do is take it and slide it right into the set spot. Oh, there's wires. And there we go. Now, this specific model doesn't need an outside power source. That would usually come from the battery itself. However, that would be required for much larger graphics cards that are in the ranges of $300, $500 to thousands of dollars. They usually use a 6-pin connector, but in course this case and others less power intensive graphics cards, just plugging into the motherboard is fine. Now the thing we need to do next is put in a screw for this hole so it stays there through whatever. So I'll need to put the camera down and plug. Now with the screw plugged in, it should hold tight. The displays that it supports are labeled in the box, and they go as follows: DisplayPort, HDMI, and DVI. VGA is one of the most common types of displays. However, it is not as good for gaming and power and editing purposes. So at best, find a monitor that can support these. However, if you really cannot afford a monitor, or you just want to keep your old one, it does support a transition between HDMI and VGA. A video card of this kind of magnitude is, like I said, for editing or gaming purposes. For most business related work, such as typing in Word or using Excel, you really don't need to purchase a video card. The standard onboard graphics of the CPU are just fine, but like I said, if you're gaming or editing, a video card should be your #1 priority. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.